Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, we're going to be looking at logarithm of numbers greater than 1. We're beginning with multiplication and division of numbers. But firstly, what we need to know is when two numbers are multiplying, their logarithms will be added before getting the anti-logarithm. And when numbers are being divided, the logarithm will be subtracted before getting the anti-logarithm. Okay, so let's begin with these examples. Evaluate the following using log tables. Okay, so let's quickly check out the solution to that. Solution. Now, we have to begin with the number and the log. For the first question, the first number we have is 69.24. Okay, now you check the number very well. We have two numbers here before the decimal point. So in one of the rows, if you have any number, one should be subtracted from it. So I have two-digit number, so 2 minus 1, I'm going to have 1. All right, point. Then the next step, we're going to check out the logarithm of this number. So we're going to check the logarithm of 69 under 2 difference 4. All right, let me bring out my logarithm table and show to you how it is picked or done. All right, this is my logarithm table. So let's check out the logarithm of 69. Okay, here we have 69. All right, 69 under 2. 69 under 2 is 8401. All right, difference 4. 69 under 2 difference 4 is 2, and the difference will be added to the logarithm, and when we do that, we're going to have 8403. Take note of that. The logarithm, we have 8403 as the logarithm. Remember, the logarithm of 69 under 2 difference 4 gives this value. Okay, now let's check the logarithm of this other number. We have 8.31. Again, we have one number before the decimal point. So 1 minus 1, we have 0 points. Then you check out the logarithm of 83 under 1. 83 under 1. If you check that correctly, you're going to have 9196. Remember, we said if the numbers are multiplying, you add their logarithm. So let's quickly add this. 6 plus 3, we have 9. 0 plus 9, we have 9. We have 9. 4 plus 1, we have 5. 8 plus 9, we have 17. So pick out 7, carry 1. Then 1 plus 1 here, we have 2. So from there, we look at the anti-log of the number. So you check your anti-logarithm table. But to begin with the anti-log, you start your checking from the decimal. So we're going to check the anti-logarithm of 75 under 9 difference 9. So what is the anti-log? Here I have the anti-logarithm table. So I'm looking for 75. 75. Here is 75 under 9. 75 under 9. Under 9 is 5741. Difference 9, you add a difference to it. Difference 9 is 12. So when you add 12 to 5741, we're going to have 5753. 5753. Okay, remember this 2 we've not worked with it. So how do we work with the 2? To add 1 to this value we have here, it becomes 3. So we move our decimal point 3 times and we put decimal point here. So therefore we can say that 69.24 times 8.31 is equal to 575.3, and this becomes the logarithm of these two numbers. Quickly, let's check out the second question. The second question said we should evaluate 7031 divided by 4.911. Again, we have our number and we have our log. So the first number here is 7031. There's no decimal, we have 4 numbers. So 4 minus 1, we have 3 points. What's the logarithm of 70 under 3 difference 1? If you check it very well, you're going to have 8471. And the logarithm of 4.911, we have just a single number, so 1 minus 1, we have 0 points. The logarithm of 49 under 1 difference 1, we're going to have 6912. Remember we said if you have division, you subtract. So let's quickly do that. 1 minus 2 cannot. We take 1 from here, becomes 6, here become 11. 11 minus 2, we have 9. 6 minus 1, we have 5. 4 minus 9 cannot. So you borrow 1, becomes 7, here becomes 14. 14 minus 9, we have 5. 7 minus 1, 7 minus 6, we have 1 point. 3 minus 0, we have 3. Again, you go for the antilog of that. So the antilog, you're going to look at 15 under 5 difference 9. If you check that correctly, we're going to have 1432. 1432 becomes the antilog. Again, we add 1 to this value here, it becomes 4. So we move our point 4 places. It's 1, 2, 3, 4. The point to be here, and you include 0 to it. Therefore, 7031 divided by 4.911, the log of that is equal to 1432.0 or 1432 as the logarithm of that number. Okay, let's quickly check another example. Now evaluate 76.7 times 308.2 divided by 8.04. Here we have the number and the log. Let's quickly check that out. 76.7. What is the log of that? If you check that very well, the logarithm of that number is, so we have 2 values. So 2 minus 1, we have 1 point. The logarithm of 76 under 7, we have 8848. And the next value, we have 308.2. We have 3 digits. 3 minus 1, we have 2 points. The logarithm of 30 under 8 difference 2, we have 4889. So let's quickly add that because I'm multiplying. So if you add that, you're going to have 4.3737. So that is it. Let's look at the denominator. We have 8.04. We have just a digit. 1 minus 1, we have 0 points. The logarithm of 80 under 4 is 9053. Because of this division, we subtract, and when we subtract, we're going to have 3.4684. Let's quickly check the antilog of that. Look at 46 under 8 difference 4. If you check that, you're going to have 2941. Add 1 here, it becomes 4. So move our point 4 places. 1, 2, 3, 4 becomes 0.0. Therefore, 76.7 times 308.2 over 8.04 is equal to 2941. So this is the logarithm of numbers. Okay, I'm going to be doing more videos on logarithm of powers and roots and others less than 1. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more mathematical problems. Thank you and have a nice day.